Hi everyone, it's Lance at the Blind Koala. Today I'm going to tell you and show you how I do my washing easier. So I have this is called a Wizzpeg. It has 3 sides and a flat side up here which comes apart, and then you can squeeze it like that at the top, and then you can put your socks in it, and it keeps your socks together so then they don't get lost in the washing. And then so I put the sock in there, I close it, and then I put it in here. This is a lingerie bag, also known as a bra bag, I think. So yeah, and when I do my washing and it's done and I'm hanging it out, I tip it all out, and there you have all my socks. They're all together. And then when I hang them up, there's a little thingo on the side which you can hang over the clothesline, so then you don't need to use another peg. I will put all the information for this product in the description for you to check out later. So if you like this video, like it, and if you want to subscribe, subscribe. And have a nice day. See you later.